Hey guys, this is Solomon from hedgingmastermind.com. Today is the 17th of October. I just saw a quick sell. Yeah, my software showed me that. And yeah, I had to just take it very quickly because I wanted to record this also. Anyways, we started this account with $250. Look at all the profits that we've made. We've made at this point a withdrawal of, okay, we're moving quick into profit. Anyway, we've made at this point a withdrawal of over $23,350. Okay, look at the $15,000 we withdrew, and yeah, so far we've made a profit of over $73,000 on this account. Remember, if you want to copy my trades, sign up with Mirgo Markets, link in description below. Make sure you have at least $350 in your account. This is so that you can at least make some money while you're watching. You make sure that you understand and know that the system works, and eventually you get the course. Okay, so this is for serious people who want to get the course. Ooh, I'm moving. Oh, there you go. Take profit. Take profit. All right, take profits. And if you want to test the software that helps me take all this analysis, you see, it just showed me that I should sell the market for a scalp. It's going to tell you when to buy, where to sell, the market direction, where to exit, where to hedge out your trades. And I'm talking about proper hedging, not all those martingale hedging system that will blow up your account. Proper hedging. That's why you should also connect your account also. Someone even told me they can't see withdrawal button. If you don't have funds in your account, what do you want to withdraw? It's just common sense. You know, sometimes you just realize why some people don't know how to trade. Anyways, if you want to test the software, sign up with Mirgo Markets. Link in description below. You can test it for free for 1 week. And then if you decide later on you want to get the course, people who are serious and want to get the course, make sure you sign up with Mirgo Markets, fund your account at least $150. It lets me know that you're serious about testing the software. And yeah, once you do that, you want to connect to your account. Send me a message on Telegram. And yeah, link in description below. Yeah, this trade has played out. We'll be right back when we have another trade in the market. If you want to learn with me live, okay, where I share my screen on Zoom, go to hedgingmastermind.com. I'll teach you live. We'll take live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging. Okay, and yeah, you can get the software. It comes free when you get the course. And also, if you want to get the best version of the software, you can get the trading view version. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have another trade in the markets. Like, share, and subscribe.